Hi everyone, this is example 16. Okay, now for part 1 of example 16, you need to be able to differentiate this function x minus 1 bracket and then product with e power negative x. Now this is actually a product function made of two functions. Okay, so we're going to use the product rule to differentiate this. So we take the first function and we are going to differentiate the second function. You're going to get minus e power negative x, and then we're going to take the second function and we're going to differentiate the first function, so we're going to have 1, and we're going to expand this. We're going to have minus x e power negative x plus e power negative x plus e power negative x. So when we simplify, we're going to have 2 e power negative x minus x e power negative x. Now the second part, right, want us to integrate this function, and they specify the method to be hence. So we're going to use our answers for part 1 to do part 2. Now if we differentiate this and we get this, therefore we integrate this, we are going to get back this. So we are using this same idea that we learned in previous units. Okay, we are going to have this. Now we can speed up this. And if you were to take a look, this is what the question in part 2 wants us to integrate. Can you see? So when we rearrange, we are going to have this. Okay. Now, please take note that we are only going to put plus c, right? At the very end. Okay. So what is this? When we integrate, right, we're going to have 2 bracket minus, right, e minus x, and we're going to have this, and when we simplify, we're going to have minus 2 e power negative x minus x minus 1, okay, e power negative x, and of course the constant plus c. Now look at example number 17. Okay. Now, given dy dx is this, we are supposed to find y as a function of x. And this is a clue. Y equals to 3 when x equals to 0. We are going to use this to evaluate your constancy later. Now, if this dy dx is given to be this, therefore y, right, must be the integral of this. And we can easily find out that this is going to be just 2 power e power x. And this one, right, there will be a negative e minus x. Okay, of course there's a plus c there. Please put your y here. Okay, so we're going to have 2 e power x plus e power negative x plus c. Now, how are we going to evaluate c? Yes, as I foretold earlier, we have to use this as a clue. Y equals to 3 when x equals to 0. So y equals to 3, 2e power 0, e power 0 plus c. So this will be e power 0 is 1. So this is 2 plus 1 plus c. So c will be 0. Okay, so we are going to have y equals to, here, right, 2e power x plus e power negative x. Okay, and that's how we do example 17. Now we are going to do example here, example 19. Okay. Now part 1 is just a partial fraction. Okay. And if you were to take note, the partial fraction of this will be, this is two linear distinct. So we are going to have a over x plus 3 plus b over 2x minus 1. And if you multiply both sides by x plus 3 bracket 2x minus 1, we're going to have a 2x minus 1 plus b x plus 3. Okay, I'm going to use substitution method. If I were to substitute x equals to minus 3, okay, this will be gone, right? So a will be, this is going to be minus 6 minus 1 minus 7. So your a will be minus 1 over 7. Okay, when I substitute x equals to half, okay, this is going to be eliminated. So this will be 3 plus half is 7 over 2. Okay, therefore my b will be 2 over 7. So my partial fraction, right, will be this. Okay, I'm going to put b first. So this is going to be 2 over 7 2x minus 1 minus 1 over 7x plus 3. Okay, therefore, hence, right, so I'm going to use the result that I get for part 1 to integrate this. The integral of this we can't do immediately. Okay, we got to actually convert this, substitute this with this. Okay, then you're going to have 2 over 7 2x minus 1 minus 1 over 7x plus 3 dx. Okay, I'm going to take out the constant multiple here. I'm going to have 1 over 2x minus 1 dx again here. Okay, 1 over x plus 3. Now be very careful. This is the coefficient of x is 2. So we're going to have, remember it's 1 over a, right? So half first. And then remember, when you integrate a reciprocal function, a linear reciprocal, you're going to have ln, okay, minus 1 over 7. This is a coefficient of 1, so it's just ln x plus 3. There's a plus c here, right? Okay, we're going to put plus c at the last line. Okay, so we are going to simplify this. Okay, and 1 over 7 is common. And using some rule, right, of ln, we know that this is going to be ln 2x minus 1 over x plus 3. Okay, of course there's a plus c. Okay, so this is how we do example 19. Okay, thank you very much.